Okay, we've moved over to my screen, and just to recap real quick, how are we of service? Well, basically, we will rank your company higher on Google. We're going to grab that increased traffic, push to your site. We're going to grab those potential leads, and we're going to nurture them until they're ready to buy. Once they've put their hand up and they're ready to buy, we pass them over to your SDRs or your sales reps. How does this all happen? Well, it happens with our Profit AI system, and I'll showcase exactly what it looks like right here. Basically, when you look at what we can bring to the table here is we're going to grab all your increased traffic from ranking you on page 1 of Google, and I'll get into more details of that in a minute, either through Google search indexing, ranking you on Google, content, in different ways that I'm going to showcase shortly, and then, of course, on Google Maps as well. Once that traffic is ranking higher, because realistically, when you have to buy a shirt or shoes or anything online, do you ever go on to page 2 or 3 of Google to try and buy it? Absolutely not. Most people stay on page 1, maybe page 2, but 75 to 77% of all people always go on just page 1 of Google. So there's a lot of opportunity there of your potential clients that are looking for exactly what you sell. And we want to capture those people. So we're going to search engine optimize your whole site, and I'll show you exactly what we'll do with that. Once that increased traffic is there, we're going to push them to your website or your landing page or whatever structure you have. Now, 2 things can happen from here. They can either directly schedule a meeting if you offer that through your website, or contact you on a contact form, or different ways like that. But if they schedule a meeting directly, then that's a lead that goes directly to your sales department, and you guys close it from there. That's a big win. If we can increase the traffic and also push that directly to a call, that's awesome. Now, what realism happens, and realistically, what happens is it usually takes 7 to 10 times or touches to touch a prospect or a lead before they're ready to make a decision to buy. So does your SDR, your sales rep, your business development rep, your sales department, do they make 7 to 10 phone calls, 7 to 10 emails, 7 to 10 texts to follow up on any of your prospects? Hey, if they do, kudos on you. They're great sales reps and great SDRs, but in most cases, they don't. So our system takes care of all of that for you. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, no sick days, no time off. Okay. And what do I mean by that? Well, once the traffic goes to your site and they fill out a form, and it goes directly into a lead form, which then becomes a lead and gets directly uploaded into our Profit AI system. And basically, this is exactly what it looks like. It's a complete digital marketing solution, a marketing CRM that is proprietary to us. We will then allow you access into your own custom portal that is specific to your business, where we track everything. Data. As you can imagine, any decisions being made going forward in business should be data-driven decisions, and this is what exactly we bring to the table as an additional feature as well. So we're going to be able to tell exactly how many people are coming in through your top of funnel, coming into your site, and as they progress down in the sales process. We'll also manage all your conversions. As we manage that, each of the traffic coming through your site, they go automatically into what is one of our greatest features, which is a power inbox. What is a power inbox? It basically tracks and sorts all of the responses that you get from that increased traffic. They all get put basically at the top of our power inbox. That power inbox is going to have everything from their contact information, everything that they put on the form. On top of that information, it will also track exactly the conversations that either our AI has done, our follow-up team members, and any of the conversations that you may have. Now, here in the Power Inbox itself, any of the prospects or leads that have responded to anything that we've sent them through our automations will automatically get put at the top of this sequence, and that's where your sales reps would ideally be logging into every single day. Anybody in the top here that hasn't been answered, these are the guys we want to jump on, so you can then now grab them and close them because they're either looking for information, looking to book a call, or they're interested in your product or service. We can also integrate all of your social platforms, DMs, Facebook DMs, Messenger DMs, TikTok DMs, any of your direct messengers into this Power Inbox, so you can manage all of those requests in real time in this Power Inbox. So what does that do for you? That saves you all kinds of internal costs in regard to opportunity costs and labor costs of actually going into each one of those accounts to get those messages. They all can end up in one power inbox. So it's a tremendous value. We find our clients really rave about, the leads, first of all, getting put in here automatically. Then they're getting automated drip sequences, which I'll talk about in a sec, but more so that they can see who and what's been communicated with that client. They then get sorted into the top of the inbox as they get responded to. So power inbox. Marketing pipeline management. Listen, this CRM here is a marketing CRM. It is not going to supersede your current CRM. We offer this because it's a SaaS proprietary software that we have here at Empires Digital. It's called Power AI, and you basically have access to it. We give you a custom link for you to be able to log in and take a look at everything. But this is how we manage everything and track everything. That way you can see exactly the results you can expect from us as your marketing arm, if you will. So as you go into the CRM, from a marketing perspective, we'll be able to track any new leads. Do they become hot leads? Do they convert into a call? And you'll be able to literally see the whole customer journey from a marketing perspective. And once they're at the end of the cycle here and they're ready to buy or they're ready to talk to somebody, that's when we can either API that lead directly over to your sales CRM, or we just bundle it all up and send it as an email to your closers, to your sales reps, to your sales department, whatever you decide to do. We will then integrate it into your CRM. So it's important to know that we're not trying to upsell you into a sales CRM. That's not the point. We are just managing all your marketing, being extremely transparent and showcasing exactly what we're doing and what results you're receiving from us, and then allowing you to go in and check this out in real time. Does your marketing department currently do that right now? Or your marketing consultant that you might be working with? Or do you just get kind of a PDF report at the end of the month that has all these statistics and conversion rates and, search engine optimization and H1 tags and meta titles and all these terminologies that you might not be familiar with? That is not how we do business. You have a complete, transparent, trackable solution here where you can go in and check us out in real time. Okay. And that's the marketing CRM part of it. Automations and workflows, all done for you. We take care of it all for you. We will set up your text sequences. So people who fill out the form on your website or your landing page will then automatically start getting a sequence of text messages to be able to see if they respond to them or not, which then will end up in your power inbox that we discussed before. We will set those all up for you. Remember, 7 to 10 touches before somebody's ready to either learn more about your business or put their hand up to buy anything that you sell. We also will automate all of your email sequences. So if they reply or don't reply, if they open, if they don't open, there's different segments and different pathways that will take them through the sales process or marketing process for you. Also, great value to you. Nobody has to do this for you. This is not managed by an actual human, if you will. They're automated sequences that we set up. I want to touch on this real quickly. Even though we are AI powered, most companies out there who tell you that there's a secret sauce that we plug in this marketing solutions into a bot or an AI powered bot, and it just kind of go to bed and let it all handle itself is number one, lying to you. The AI software is not there yet. We were one of the initial AI agencies back in November that were jumped all over ChatGPT and all of the new solutions that are out there. We test different AI solutions monthly because that's how fast it's changing. So I want to let you know that we, although powered by AI in a lot of our services, we are a hybrid of AI and team of experts. So we have over 30 people. We have different divisions, our SEO Rottweilers, I keep calling them. We have our automated experts. We have our content experts, which we'll talk about. So although we utilize AI solutions to save you money, it's a hybrid of AI and human interaction. So this is not just kind of plug it into some magical AI bot and they take care of everything for us. It's just not the case. We also will create weekly blogs and weekly content for you. We take all done for you every single week. We'll give you a link to what our blog is going to look like, our content, 800 to 1,200 words of keyword-rich, relevant content, not plugged into Chat GPT, not plugged into some blog writing software AI. This is all utilized with certain AI softwares, but it's all human driven and relevant to your business. Okay. This is not just a bunch of fluff articles that we're putting out there. It's actual content that is keyword rich, that is going to drive traffic to your site, like we talked about initially. We send it to you, you approve it, we create it all, we design it, we put the images, and then we'll actually post it for you as well. So we'll take care of the whole process for you, done for you. Okay, weekly blog contests. And finally, we also can manage all your reviews with this software. So we're basically an all-in-one solution where we can rank you higher on Google, grab all those leads as we discussed from the increased traffic. Then we're going to nurture those leads for you and show you transparently the whole marketing process. And then once they buy and your team closes them, we have a way to follow up with each one of those clients and have them and manage their reviews. The more reviews you get, the better it is for your rankings on Google. So as you know, if you rank on page 1 of Google and you got a ton of reviews, it's only going to help you rank higher on Google. So that's one thing that we know works. This is the secret sauce that we work with all our clients now, and are working very, very well. With that being said, with the CRM and the marketing CRM, there's also all the data that comes with your with the Google search engine optimization end of it. And what I mean by that is, with this software as well, you also have a completely custom dashboard that allows you to kind of see everything from an SEO perspective, all your backlinks. We integrate your Google Search Console, your Google My Business. Everything will be under one platform where you can go in and literally, so for example, you can check out your website traffic daily. You'll be able to see your rankings, your backlinks, your citations, how your site is audited, everything, all your top pages, your top queries, all of it will be in one site. This is a demo account, of course, but this is part of the software as well. Your rank tracker. So for example, we can go in, would be the 25 keywords that we would rank for you and show you where you currently position on Google and where we're getting you to. Did it go up? Did it go down? And then, of course, the top pages that we're ranking for you. So all of this is completely transparent. You can check it in real time, not some elaborate PDF report at the end of the month. You're able to go in and basically check it all out. Finally, once you come on board, we'll connect your Google Analytics account. We'll all be in your Google Analytics. Everything will basically be in here where you can see full data on exactly what's happening with your site, and all the data that's needed. You will be trained on all of this, by the way, as well, and we'll touch on that in a sec. And then finally, we have the site auditor. The site auditor here will basically allow my team of SEO Rottweilers to go in there and bring your site to a 100% score. We'll fix all the errors. We'll fix all your H1 tags, meta descriptions, meta titles, all the fancy stuff from an SEO perspective. Crawl your site and basically take care of everything. And you'll be able, once again, to see it in full transparent mode. You'll be able to come in and see what's passed, what hasn't passed, and all the work that we've been doing. So hopefully that all makes sense. This is pretty much the Profit AI system and what we bring to our clients. We basically only offer 2 packages when we deal with pricing, and it's pretty straightforward. We have our Profit AI Grow package, which basically includes a complete business overview. We do a competitive analysis, all that weekly blog content that we discussed, real-time portal for you to be able to get in and track everything that we're doing. We don't offer any setup fees, onboarding fees. We give you monthly results. We also apply a dedicated account manager for you. No long-term contracts and zero risk 3-month, 90-day trial. If we cannot rank your website higher on Google within 90 days, you get a complete free refund. No questions asked. I haven't. It's my business. Empires Digital is my company. We haven't had to do it yet, and I don't want you to be the first. But 100% risk-free money-back guarantee. Okay? Profit AI Premium is basically everything that you see here that we've just discussed, but then we also throw in all those automations, the marketing CRM, your text drip sequences, email drip sequences, your Power Inbox, all of the added software that we were just discussing. Once again, also with no long-term contracts, zero risk money-back guarantee, and of course, all we ask for is a 90-day trial. And then we go month to month based on results as you track us And we have no problem with that, because if there's, if we're trackable and you're holding us accountable to the results that we're bringing you, then of course that's what will allow us to continue a great business relationship going forward. If we can't provide you more value than the price that you pay us, then what's going to keep us around? So this is why we only bring on a selective group of companies that we know we can provide massive results for, and we keep them for a long time. What are next steps? Very straightforward, very simple process. We just book a call with myself or one of our team members, non-salesy call. It's going to be all about you. All about you and your business is what we're going to discuss. We're going to ask you questions like how you get customers today. What does your business look like today, and where do you want to be in a year? What are your opportunity costs? What are your customer acquisition costs? And a whole bunch of different questions that we want to be able to find out to see if we're a good fit and see if we can even help you, to tell you the truth. So we'll have that call with you. If you're not a good fit, we're not incentivized to do a hard sell, because if it's not a good fit and you ask for your money back in 3 months, then we have a high risk of making no money. So I want you to understand that these demos and these calls are strictly about seeing if we can work with each other and see if we can provide you massive results. Once we have the call and you hopefully say yes, then our team will do an in-depth full audit on your online business, on your business online, how you look, go through your website and audit what your Google My Business looks like, complete audit of what you look like, your competitive analysis as well. Then our team will onboard you into our Profit AI system and set up all the automations and workflows and all the dashboards for you. And then we'll assign you an account manager where we will then train you on what to look for on a monthly basis. And then we take care of everything else. We do it all for you, and it's a complete done-for-you service that we take care of you with. So this is a full detail on what our Profit AI system looks like. We have tons of testimonials, tons of case studies, tons of screenshots on what we've done with our clients. Please go to any one of our social feeds or go check out our testimonial page. We have at empiresdigital.com. It's all on there. So get on there, book a call, and we look forward to speaking to you. Take care.